Today we're diving into what might just be the next big leap in compact aerial photography, the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro. And if the rumors are even halfway accurate, this could be one of the most exciting drone releases in years. The Mini lineup has always been about balancing portability with performance, but now it feels like DJI is pushing that balance to its absolute limit. What makes this so interesting is that the competition in the sub-2 49-gram category has finally started catching up, forcing DJI to innovate faster and more aggressively than ever before. The Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be their bold response, promising a drone that is not only smaller and lighter, but significantly more capable in almost every way that matters. Early whispers suggest DJI has managed to squeeze in hardware and software upgrades that were once reserved for much larger drones. The most talked-about upgrade is the camera system. Reports hint at a new 1-inch sensor, which would be a massive leap for a drone in this size class. A larger sensor means better light capture, richer detail, and far superior low-light performance. This could completely change how creators use mini drones, especially during sunrise, sunset, or nighttime shooting. Instead of struggling with noise and limited dynamic range, users might get footage that looks polished and cinematic straight out of the camera. That alone would reduce the need for heavy editing and make the drone far more appealing to both beginners and professionals. Then there's the possibility of 6K video recording, which sounds almost unreal for a drone this compact. If this rumor turns out to be true, it would put the Mini 6 Pro in a league of its own. Shooting in 6K would allow creators to crop into footage, stabilize shots further, or reframe scenes in post-production without losing clarity. Combined with potential support for higher frame rates like 4K at 120 frames per second, the creative possibilities expand dramatically. Smooth slow-motion shots, detailed landscapes, and high-quality social media content could all be captured with a device that literally fits in your pocket. Battery life is another area where DJI seems to be making big moves. The Mini 5 Pro already impressed users with its endurance, but the Mini 6 Pro could push beyond 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That kind of performance would be groundbreaking for a sub-2 49-gram drone. Some insiders believe DJI is experimenting with new battery chemistry or smarter energy management systems that dynamically adjust power consumption based on flight conditions. If the drone can intelligently adapt to wind resistance, speed, and shooting modes, it could deliver not just longer flights but more consistent performance overall. Transmission technology is also expected to see a significant upgrade. While the current system is already reliable, the rumored next-generation transmission could offer stronger signal stability, lower latency, and an extended range of up to 25 kilometers under ideal conditions. While most users won't push their drone anywhere near that distance, the benefit lies in maintaining a solid connection even in environments filled with interference, such as cities or crowded areas. For professionals who rely on a stable live feed, this could make a noticeable difference in real-world usability. Design-wise, the Mini 6 Pro is expected to refine what already works while introducing subtle but meaningful improvements. The drone will likely retain its foldable, travel-friendly form factor, but with enhancements like lighter arms, improved cooling through better vent placement, and a more premium finish. Small changes like a reinforced gimbal housing could also improve stability, especially during high-speed flights or in windy conditions. These refinements may not seem dramatic at first glance, but together they contribute to a more polished and reliable flying experience. Obstacle avoidance is another area where the Mini 6 Pro could take a major step forward. Rumors suggest a full surround sensing system, potentially offering 360-degree obstacle detection. If true, this would be a huge upgrade over previous models, making the drone far safer to fly in complex environments like forests, urban spaces, or tight mountain paths. Combined with an improved intelligent flight system, users could navigate challenging scenes with greater confidence, unlocking creative shots that were previously too risky to attempt. Artificial intelligence could also play a bigger role in how the drone operates. A new generation of subject tracking might allow the drone to recognize and follow people, animals, and vehicles more accurately than ever before. Imagine going for a run or cycling through a scenic route while the drone automatically adjusts framing, keeps you centered, and smoothly tracks your movement without constant input. This kind of feature turns the drone into a personal camera operator, making it incredibly appealing for solo creators and vloggers. The controller experience might also see a meaningful upgrade. A new remote with a brighter display, longer battery life, and a redesigned interface could make flying more intuitive and enjoyable. Features like live histograms, exposure monitoring, and real-time flight data overlays would give users better control over their shots while simplifying the learning curve for beginners. These kinds of improvements show that DJI is not just focusing on hardware, but also on the overall user experience. Wind resistance is another rumored improvement that could make a real difference in day-to-day use. If the Mini 6 Pro can handle stronger winds while maintaining stability, it opens up more shooting opportunities in environments that were previously challenging. Coastal areas, mountain ridges, and open landscapes often come with unpredictable wind conditions, so a more stable drone would be a welcome upgrade for many users. Low-light performance could also get a boost through advanced image processing algorithms. Pairing a larger sensor with improved software could result in cleaner nighttime footage with less noise and better color accuracy. Features like automated night hyperlapse could make it easier than ever to capture stunning cityscapes or starry skies without complex setups or post-processing. Performance improvements are expected across the board, including faster speeds and better stabilization. Even at higher speeds, the drone is rumored to maintain smooth, cinematic footage thanks to a combination of mechanical gimbal stabilization and digital corrections. This means users won't have to choose between speed and stability, allowing for more dynamic and engaging shots. Pricing remains uncertain, but estimates suggest it could land around the premium range for mini drones. While that might sound high at first, the combination of features being rumored could justify the cost for many users. When you consider the portability, performance, and creative potential, the Mini 6 Pro could offer exceptional value for content creators, travelers, and hobbyists alike. Charging technology might also improve, with faster USB-C power delivery reducing downtime between flights. A redesigned charging hub capable of handling multiple batteries at once would further enhance convenience, especially for users who rely on their drone for extended shooting sessions. All of these rumored features point toward a drone that is not just an incremental upgrade, but a significant leap forward. If even most of these leaks turn out to be accurate, the DJI Mini 6 Pro could redefine what people expect from a compact drone. It represents the idea that you no longer need bulky, expensive equipment to capture professional-quality aerial footage. Instead, everything you need could fit in a small bag, ready to go wherever your creativity takes you.